Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix set time zone automatically grayed out problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if on your desktop or laptop set time zone automatically is grayed out, then it's not getting enabled. As you can see, when I try to turn it on, it is grayed out. I am unable to turn it on. It's showing as off. So if you are also facing this type of issue, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to click on this settings. In left side you will find privacy and security. Click on that. Scroll down. You can see here app permission. In this you will find location. Click on the location. You have to just enable this location. After that you can see here mail and calendar. You have to enable this also. Then now we will move to the time and language. Click on date and time. You can see now it's not showing as grayed out, so we can now enable this. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix set time zone automatically is grayed out problem on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.